Hey Colt, in this video we're going to learn how to take notes. As you can see, I have a sample text from a website on heart disease, and I'm going to take notes on this text and make it into point form notes. So the first thing you're going to do is read the text. The term heart disease is often used interchangeably with the term cardiovascular disease. So I'm going to think to myself, what does that mean? It really just means that heart disease and cardiovascular disease are the same thing. And that's what I put in my note. Heart disease, also known as cardiovascular disease. I don't really need the rest of the sentence. I don't need those extra words. I just want the main idea. And I'm going to make sure that everything I do is in my own words. So for example, in a cardiac CT scan, you lie on a table inside a donut-shaped machine. Well, I know donuts are round and there's a hole in the middle. So that means the person kind of sits or lies down in a very round machine and goes through it. And that's what I have in my notes, CT scans. And I have an arrow here because you can use whatever symbols you want. So think about the symbols that will make your life a little easier to replace words. So it makes it faster for you to take notes. So CT scan, large round machine that the patient lies in. That's basically exactly what it says right here. And I don't need the rest of those words and I don't need those terms. I get the idea. You must also include citations. If your teacher asks for APA, make sure it's APA format. It has a very specific format, as you can see here, and then I have an example. But if it was MLA, which is the other type of citations we do at Bill Crothers, it's a little different. So you make sure you know from a teacher if it's MLA or APA, and you follow those formats. And please watch the videos on MLA and APA citations to learn more. You should also have your in-text citations. An in-text citation basically is like a little notation, a little clue of where you got your source. So you want to include that in your note-taking so that when you go do your paper, you already have it and you know you're not looking it up again. It should follow a specific format, but usually APA and MLA are very similar. They want the author or the title and the date, and it's always in brackets. So I have an example here. There's a quote. You see this was from the government of Canada and it was 2017. So that is my in-text citation. And don't forget to include your sources in your reference page or your works cited page. If it's APA, it's called references. If it's MLA, it's called works cited. And if you'd like to know more about how to do a citation page, make sure you watch the video. So thanks for watching, and remember, no Colt walks alone.